Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix login screen showing name and password instead of user list on Mac. So if your login screen suddenly asks you to type your username and password instead of showing you the user list, you may think something is wrong with your Mac, but in most cases, it's simply because the login window setting has been changed to name and password instead of list of users. So to fix the issue, first click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose System Settings when the menu prompt. Now in the left side pane, scroll a bit and then go to Lock Screen. Now here, as you can see, I have selected name and password. That's why I have to manually enter my user account and password to log in. But if you want to see the list of users, then all you just need to choose list of users in when switching user section. And that's it. The problem will fix. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.